We need to talk.
Fine. What?
I'm in a lot of pain right now and I need you to be honest with me.
I am always honest with you. Please don't start this again.
I just received a call from a girl that says you and her have been having sex for the past year. Is this true?
She's lying. And I can't believe you would so quickly assume that she is telling the truth. You obviously don't trust me.
I also saw on your phone another message from some girl asking when you were going to come over and if you had started masturbating yet.
There was no such message. You're lying. Show me the message on my phone. It's not there.
I was on the computer checking out our trip to Napa Valley and looking for hotels. An instant message popped up from a guy named Joe who wanted to know if you were ready for a mutual jack-off session.
Why are you doing this to us? Why are you even bringing this up? If I was really doing all that, I wouldn't be here with you. Do you think I would be wasting my time all these years with you? We've been together for 5 years. How can you believe and assume these things about me?
I also received 2 emails from 2 different people in the last 6 months, warning me against you, saying that you had sex with them and told them you were seeing nobody and that you were single and hated the woman you were with. Do you want to end our relationship?
No. I love you.
I just want the truth.
I am telling you the truth. I love you.
Then why are you doing this?
I'm not. They are all lying.
But I have proof.
That doesn't matter. It's a lie. And you are severely disturbed if you actually believe this about me. You have some serious trust issues.
But the girl and I met for coffee last week. She showed me pictures of you and her together.
Oh, that girl. She's just a friend of mine.
She showed me that she had pictures of me as well, and that you showed her pictures of me naked.
I would never do that.
Then why does she have them?
I don't know.
You have been cheating on me.
No, I'm not. Cheating is having sex with someone else. I am just seeing her as a friend once in a while. That is all.
I want you to stop.
I will. I promise. I love you.
What is that noise?
What noise?
Your phone is vibrating.
That's just my friend John.
Let me see the message.
No.
Why not?
Because this is ridiculous. You were just trying to find things to hurt me right now. I'm tired of being the victim. I'm tired of you continuing to hurt me. I'm tired of you doubting me. All I ever wanted to do was love you. I have faults, I admit that. But I am working on them.
You've been working on them for 5 years.
And I have made a lot of progress. I no longer insult you, do I? I am very kind to you. I never hurt you. I am always respectful of you.
When you're with other women, or even having sex with women or men, that's not being respectful.
I am not having sex with these people. You are paranoid. Am I not allowed to have friends?
Yes, you can have friends.
Gee, thank you.
You keep lying to me, and yourself. Why do you do that?
I don't know what you are talking about.
Do you realize that you are hurting me every day by doing this?
Then leave me.
Then I will leave you.
Go ahead. You'll never find anyone who loves you as much as I have. We belong together and you know it. But you're a selfish, doubting cunt and don't deserve to be with a bitch like you.
Why are you calling me names?
I am not.
You just called me a cunt.
No, I didn't. See? This is exactly what I mean. You are not trusting me. You hear things and then turn them around into something else. I never said such a word. Why would I say that? You need help.
I can't keep fighting about this. I'm exhausted.
Good. Let's stop arguing. I love you. Let me take you out to dinner.
Have you fed the dogs first?
Yes, I did.
But the bowl is empty.
Oh, I forgot.
How could you forget? They are right there, waiting to be fed. Did you forget yesterday too? How could you do that?
I am sorry. I won't do it again.
Feed them now.
I promise I will in a minute. I have to return a call.
I'll sit and wait here.
No. I am going to make this call in privacy.
Why can't I listen?
because you don't trust me. When you have gained my trust back, I will allow you to listen to my calls.